High five. All right, you got your timer?
Yes.
Okay, you've got your sunglasses.
Yep.
All right, let's do this. First, we need to clean it out a little bit. All right, here we go. Do I know how to use a vacuum cleaner? Okay, that part's not supposed to come off. Okay, all right, I think I'm making it dirtier so far. That's probably not good. Let's see if it's plugged in. Hey, I did one thing right. Here we go. All right, we're back in. One thing about this interior is it loves dog hair. Here we go. We're doing it. What do you think? Good enough for rock and roll?
Yeah.
All right, if you say so. Let go, please, let go, go. Where's the button to do the...
It's right there.
Oh, it's this one, huh? No, that's not it. Just don't, you're not filming, are you? Okay,
Maybe.
because that would have been embarrassing if you were. Hey, here goes nothing. We're gonna try and install this rough country seat cover on these seats. It's a constant war against the dog hair. We are losing, but that's about to change. This was our old seat cover. It cost about $15. And here are the new seat covers. They come in separate pieces. So you have the bottom, another piece for the bottom, the back, another piece for the back. You're gonna be my assistant like we're performing a surgery. You're gonna time me. We're gonna see how fast I can do this. You ready?
Okay.
All right, here we go. Let's do this.
Are you gonna make a butt shot again?
Yeah, probably not.
Okay, good.
Hey, I'm not paying you to play basketball.
Wait, you're not paying.
Ready to do this?
No.
Where are your sunglasses? Okay, you done taking an extended basketball break? It's really hard to find good free labor these days. Get your timer out.
All set.
Take one. Pause, Rod. These instructions. Follow the installation of this product.
Please read these instructions before the installation of this product.
That seems like a terrible idea. Here, let's try it without the instructions and see what happens. We'll call it an experiment.
Okay.
Seem like a good idea?
No, but...
No, but? Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go. Unclip that, unclip that, unclip that. This piece goes here, probably. And this probably goes in there, maybe? No, I need you. We're timed here. You can't play basketball. No lunch breaks.
I don't care.
Your dedication is admirable. You can lock it up. I knew that. Gummy bear. You hungry? Got you.
No, I'm not hungry.
You find the straps under here, and then you might have to loosen these a little bit, a lot of it, and you strap them in. Strap in. Ooh, med kit. That's kind of cool. I feel like I have 3 med kits in here. You know what they say? 2 is 1, 1 is none, and 3 is 1 too many.
Can I throw this at you?
No throwing.
Are you just saying that as an excuse?
What? No, I'm actually not ready yet. I've lost a doohickey to the hickey thing. I'm gonna pull these tight. I don't know if you can see this. There you go. Pull tight. Pull tight. This one goes across. It's actually pretty easy.
Can I throw something at you yet?
Nope, not yet.
Dang it.
But you don't actually want to pull these super mega tight. You want them just kind of gentle. I know that because I didn't read the directions.
Please read these instructions before installation of this product. I'm sure they are filled
No idea what that means. I'm not listening to you.
sure that they are fitted correctly and are being used for the purpose they were designed for.
Probably.
Gently hand wash in warm soapy water. Allow to air dry.
I like my plan better. Okay, I'm ready. Throw something at me. Ah, hey. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I have to figure out what piece this is. Look, there's the back. The back. It's for the stupid latch. Pull this forward. This latch right here. How am I doing on time?
Let me check.
Have I reached a minute yet?
What?
Have I reached 1 minute?
Yes.
Oop. Ah, there we go. Okay. It's just like putting on your pants after Thanksgiving dinner. Just tuck it all in. Hopefully we can Velcro it on the other side. Come on, buddy. Here we go. Hold tight. Pull it up. Maybe start in the center. Anchor it. Not bad. Okay, good start. Call that one good. Latches in. Throw something at me.
Yay! Something else to throw
Why is it?
someone. Let's see.
Ah, wood. Okay. All right, this one has a latch as well. Make sure this goes right there. Here we go. Gotta undo the diaper. Take the headrest off. Put the hoodie on. Tuck in the stuff underneath. Pull it through. Woo!
Can I throw something at you?
In about 10 seconds. 10,
Oh.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Aha! Aha! Yeah. Well, buckle it all up underneath here. Again, I don't think you want to actually go tight here. All right, could you hand those to me? Better? Yeah. Yeah. You. Whoa. Ah! Ah! Ow! I probably deserve that. Yeah, I like this. Make the side ones tighter. I think that's a good strategy. Good strategy. There's a lot of excess here. Yeah, you know, if you want, you can shore that up, but I'm busy setting a world record. You have these last little pieces here. Kind of what you think. They just go over the headrest. So we're just gonna put those on. Put on a little beanie here. Got to keep your headrest warm.
Here, why not you take a look?
That one's in. It's been 4 minutes and 32 seconds.
Check. I dare
You know, I'm good. I'll just edit it at the end.
No.
I'll
check.
edit it at the end.
Check. Check.
What? 14 minutes and 44 seconds. Hey, get ready to stop it. Get ready to stop it. Done.
2 minutes and 2 seconds.
All right. 15:02.5. We'll round down. We'll round down to 3 minutes.
And then I'm gonna go and play some basketball.
All right. Okay, that was weird. Okay, wait,
No,
wait,
I
hold
know
on.
how to fix it.
I know how to fix it better.
Give it to me or else I'll kick you.
Are you gonna read the instructions again? Okay, take it. Ow, take it. No kicking, bud. Up. Final test. Here we go. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? You like it? I think that's a yes. All right, buddy. High five. That's pretty lazy. High five. Up. High five. High five. Oh, left paw. You're getting fancy. Woo, look at this. Ambidextrous dog. All right. Was it quadridextrous?
I honestly don't care.
All right, Med, you're up. Grab a seat.
I have to test it.
Tell me what you think.
Yeah, good. Bye.
Luke, off. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You're a good dog. Speak. That's sneeze. Speak. Go find.
It's not a dog trick show.
Turn around. All right, I installed it in 15 minutes. Not so bad. Taking a look around. Yeah, you know, it's okay. It looks a lot better than the last seat cover we had. I'll put up the price for it on the screen. Show off. Hey, thanks everybody for joining us today. We will see you next time. Take care.